gotta see your name. Too much mud, sipping on drink with the Reaper name. Scroll through pictures of myself, gotta face my demons name. If no one else, I'ma do it myself, I plan to leave a name. Front on, I'm gon' lead on my own. Hustlin', ballin', got it right now, I'm strong. Came in and all me, got what she want, now she gone. Blood down that memory lane, murder right on my phone. The shit you talk about that you better be right. This we gotta wrap up cause the streets callin'. Coming back for you fall asleep, trap it out with piano keys. Go sip plates to the maple lean. Won't go all night, then take these beans. With me for life, don't take no rings. Cause one feel tied down, that's when we take off. It's way too active, you can't beat me in this house. Got guns and drugs going in and out. I'll just meet you back home.
Yeah, I think so.
Where you at, fool?
Damn landing.
This nigga finna get us some door shut. What you got, guys? Some noodles? Joy, you got Goshen.
I got that fire. That fire.
Today we're going for some. What are you going for?
These nuts.
Joy? The little nuts?
All DD out.
City out. Nigga, we're going for some. Oply.
Apply. Whatever bites, man. Dock fishing.
Stop fishing.
Right here, dock fishing.
Yes, sir. What you eating today, Sonny?
Shit.
Ain't shit. They got a beard though in his pocket.
My hand.
In his hand.
Oh, man, you've been babysitting on that.
At
Close it right now. You about to do it right now?
the end there, that's why.
Okay. Huh?
Probably like 2 goats left.
See? I already checked it.
How much Oply there is? Oh, that was a good one.
Okay. Let's try. One right here. See?
Go ahead, Ricky.
See that right there? Go for it. We're going out. We're going out.
Right there, you see
We're
him?
going out live.
Right there.
School's right there.
Right, right there. I see your bait.
Right. Drop it like it's hot. Wait for a good bite.
Right there, right there, right there. You got it. Yee. Yes, sir.
Good luck.
Crap shit. Uh-huh.
Good luck.
Go ahead,
Try
China.
again. What did? I got something to drag a little tail, maybe.
I see your bait right there.
On my waist up. Yeah, my waist up. Fresh bait.
Fresh bait.
Going out.
Let me see.
Oh, I got one too. I got one on too. Double up. The weight is tough. Doing double up. Yeah,
See.
yes, sir.
See?
And the weight got stuck.
Good shit.
Fresh bait again.
China, record me quick. When you're done. Hey, record me. We get my first cast.
You gonna double up? I think so. Hopefully.
Watch it. Wide open. Show the fish on. Show the fish. Oh my, wait.
Double up. Double up.
Hold up.
Would you be help me with that later after?
Yeah. Just a drop shot with a bow shrimp.
Got double on one.
Record him and record me white. A little white thing. Keep recording, Sonny. Keep recording. I'm good. Watch this, Sonny.
Stop playing in the
Hey,
table.
watch this, Sonny. Let's go. Ready. shit.
Double
Honey?
up. Double up.
Look at this.
Keep it going.
Nigga, and we keeping them. Hey, you see it back?
Hey, can you take it off for me, please?
Yeah. Where's it?
Behind you, Ricky.
Oh shit. Hey, this shit swallowed this one.
What's on the mouth, though?
Dead bodies.
In the bag.
Come in.
You good? What happened? They fell off?
Yeah, they ate it all. That shit was fast bite. Instant bite.
What happened?
Keep coming on. I'm just stay right here.
That was a quick instant bite. Going out.
Going out.
Well, we're both gonna get one at the same time. Got it.
Oh, it came off. Yeah, dude, it came off quick.
Record me?
Yeah.
Break it in half.
Honey? She got a ghost shrimp.
Go shrimp. Quick bite.
Some how to do it. Ricky Ray. Oh, you had it.
I sent it too fast.
Let's take a break. Look at all these people. I'm gonna show y'all the fish, watch. You got it, Ricky, you got it. Again. Let it eat it, Go ahead.
The bait's too big right now.
Yes, sir. Both of them niggas going. And they got fans.
Hey, 10 bodies.
That's a good size.
Double up.
Yes, sir. Easy, right?
Easy limit.
Back to back.
Those like the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a big one.
But
Hey,
I'll talk. Just leave it there.
hey, my guy.
Yes, sir.
Oh, no, not. See the action right there? See the
Yes,
action?
sir. Pick it up, cuz.
Stop playing.
Stop playing, nigga.
Action, cuz. Big one. Nick. That's the biggest one we caught. Big one. Biggest one.
That is not the biggest one, cuz.
That's the biggest one. That's the biggest one. Let's go.
Oh, shit. We have to switch spots, cuz. Too many niggas right there.
Y'all ain't going hooker baits.
Yes, sir.
You know how to handle a fish.
This nigga scared of a opalite, cuz. Nigga 20 times, 5,000 times bigger than that shit. Nah. Scary ass nigga.
Alright. Where we at? Another section of the dock?
Secret spot. Not secret spot, but.
Instant bite.
He threw it right there. Watch, couple seconds. See? Rod bending, see that rod bend? 2 seconds, easy.
Hey, double back, double back. Stop playing, man. Double back with me, man.
Double back.
With it. That's big one in the day. Hey, double back, man.
Double back, that's right. Double back.
Bigger than yours?
Yeah, bigger than mine.
Sir. Get in there.
Do it next to the dock, the pillar.
Yeah.
That's the spot.
Hey, you guys fire here?
No, I don't have a fire.
Oh, they're chasing it. Oh, right there, got it.
It's a big one. Give me a big one. Give me the bigger one.
Got him.
Double back.
Got him. Rod bending. See that? Rod bend. 2 seconds. Oh, watch out. Niggas, he almost trying to hit me. He trying to kill us, cuz, with an opalite.
Double up, double up. Double up.
If y'all know the spot, y'all know the spot. But we ain't gonna tell you. You can find it, you can find it. It's probably the only time you gonna see us here.
Double back.
How you do this?
It's wide open bite. All the homies available, we gonna come. But if not, you don't see us. You gonna see us somewhere else. How easy was that, boys?
Watch that.
Too easy. Alcohol in the system, couple blunts like here, like this. Boop. Get high, get lit, get bit. 2 seconds. Look at that big side.
Left hook.
Have you catch the pole before?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, just catch it right there, just like close to the dock, let it drop, and you feel some bites. You might get one right away. That's what we've been getting.
See if cuz could get one.
Just toss it. Don't even throw it. They're pretty close. Take it a little bit lower. Oh, it's coming for it. It's coming for it.
Drop it down more. Drop
Yeah,
it down
drop
more.
a little more. Oh man, this is like some mackerel.
Yeah, right there, right there.
Got it. Oh. It's coming for it. Fire. Let me swallow. Drop it a little lower. Wait till you see that big.
Oh, it's going for it.
There's a big one right there. You got him. Oh, he came out.
You got it, you got it. Yank it, yank it. Oh. I'm trying to grab him up so you get that shit.
Yeah, drop it again. Wait till you see it disappear. And then just like reel it in. Just wait till you should feel.
You got him, you got him. Good shit, bro.
Let's go. Hey, that's the one that clutch.
Some random guy, we just let him fish.
Thank you.
He was in line. He was watching us. He said, cuz, go pull up.
Release it back in there.
Look at this nigga.
Hey, that's the big Johnny.
Good shit, bro.
Yeah, I got him. Oh, that's a big one right there on you. There's a big ass one. Oh shit.
Yeah,
Got
shit.
it. Oh, big ass one. Oh, fuck. Big one, Jen. Jen, get record this. See that? See that on video?
See the video?
Oh my god. Oh shit, oh shit. Big ass one. Big head. Big ass one. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What kind of fish is that?
Oh, it's called an opalite.
Can you eat it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good eating. We would say it's like a bluegill of the ocean, kind of, roughly.
Wow, they're really
Look
fighting.
at all these people online.
2 fish in like 30 seconds.
Yeah. This is the first time we did this in a while, and it's like this, bro, over here. This is a good one. You got that live
Oh,
close
look.
to it right there. Yeah,
Sure.
they had the bait over there. They just kind of pricey for live bait.
Yeah. This is
Yeah.
the bait is just pricey.
Yeah, but then it's a fun bite, man.
For sure. Thank you guys.
Yeah. That stoke is real, huh?
You want to fish, bro? We got another pole. You want to fish for a while?
It's okay. I have to go back to my
Thing is,
Alright.
we don't have much bait. See?
Yep. Cuz gonna go back in line.
I got on video.
Yeah.
Don't worry about
No,
worry about
good day. No, that food was the one that when it bit right there. That was a good fit.
I saw that shit came up and ate it.
Hey, spike it.
My hands are dirty. Yeah, Ricky.
Hey, Ricky, spike it.
I'm walking hand over here in the water.
Just shit.
Chill out for a little bit. This is wide open.
Hella.
There's a lot of fish right here. Hey, on 2 pound test, bro. That's crazy. You ain't about that life. If I had my rod, I would have did it.
No, you wouldn't,
I would.
What you doing?
Wash my hands. No,
Sorry?
water pond. Yeah, use natural water.
You gotta use natural water.
You got that on video when I asked him to get the on camera or no?
What?
To you want to reel in the fish or you got that after?
After.
Damn. Should have got that right there because he got that on camera. Like,
He was just sitting down,
a
huh?
random nigga that after a random stranger. Hey, he even one of the homies. Y'all don't see in the video. He's not one of the homies. He's random. About to go watch whales, nigga.
He was just staring
But
at us
instead,
like.
you could be right here catching opalite, big fish.
Oh, oh shit.
Some really bright orange fish there.
Oh, those ones are illegal.
Yeah, I was gonna say illegal.
Yeah, those are illegal to catch.
Yeah.
You
Can't
can't catch
hold
those
those.
here. There's a lot of them, yeah, but you can't catch them, unfortunately.
You have to throw everything back.
No,
Just the orange
whatever fish has a
keep
limit
10
or
of
size,
these.
you can keep what, like these, the one you just caught, you can keep 10.
You keep 10, yeah.
Any size, roughly. But we don't keep the baby ones. Though.
Yeah. That's one. That's not. Oh, they coming in right now, huh?
You don't normally fish?
Well, I'm from like Toronto.
Oh.
Took a chat.
Took a chat.
Pond, so you're catching like little sunfish and something like
Oh, nothing crazy.
Look how much people over here. Look.
These sunfish is pretty fun, man.
Jeez.
that. We have bass too.
Yeah, there's a lot.
All these niggas finna catch whales. I mean, watch whales.
Oh, so you're just visiting then?
Yeah, we just came on a family vacation.
Oh.
Are you guys from here?
Yeah, we're local over here.
So much warmer out here.
Oh, that's not bad.
Right now is the winter.
Just walking
Yeah.
Like minus 20 up there.
on. Sir.
Over here for just the low 50s, low 40s, it's pretty freezing.
Oh, a little burner
Yeah,
right.
but the water, yeah, when it's cold, like in the morning, it's cold.
Yeah.
But like now it's new.
Yo.
I don't look at it all weird.
Ooh. This way, because they're gonna have to leave to go that way.
Yeah.
Just stay right here on the right side.
They're gonna walk out this way. Look at it.
See a chim though.
Good thing is,
Hey, you too, man.
Nice meeting you, guys. You'll find us on YouTube.
YouTube channel?
Yeah,
I'll
you'll
follow you
find
guys.
Yeah, they're called Friendly Fire. They're out here, man. They're out here recording those the whole stoke.
You'll find us there.
Friendly Fire on YouTube?
People coming out the boat.
You go watch the whale. The whale jump in the air and go whale.
Whale.
Do some whale. Like free Willy.
They're on the boat right there. They're catching tuna. Zoom in on the niggas. Catching tuna.
Where?
Right there.
Oh,
Catching tuna, whatever fish they catch, whatever you want. But we're here. Catch opalite. Got a whole bag full.
Whole bag full.
Bonito and yellowtail and bluefin and all
As much fun as they're having out there.
that. They're on another level than us.
It's just the fish leveled up. You feel me?
Fish
Leveled
level
up.
up.
They got gas money. They
Look at
got
all these people.
Shit, we walking with $2 jig head with $3 swim bait, still snagging shit.
After all these niggas leave, back in action, right?
That's
Yes.
right. About to have another 7.
Oh shit. We're just smoking a blunt.
이 올라가는 줄 미기랑 매기는 거는
You don't catch it. You first time catching opalite like that, or? Been a while. But normally not here though, huh? Trust me, right here, we can slay opalite.
What's wrong with that nigga?
What are they doing, man? The Croy camera.
I think because it's slated. Pop the perk.
Seasick. If I get
Seasick.
seasick, yeah. Get this smoke.
This nigga scared of going to skiff, cuz.
No, you just. That's my soda,
It's
right?
on Ricky.
Yeah, that's your soda.
It's on Ricky.
I just passed him.
It's on you.
No, I just smoked. He's fast.
Nigga, there's so much fish here.
I'm here already because there's already a line.
Hala. Look at Gray. Ricky. Having fun, buddy?
No, it's nothing.
It's nothing.
I came to play. I didn't came out to play. I came out to slay.
We seen bigger ones on Shelter Island, dog. The old one was big.
Joe, there's some big ones. You didn't see it.
No, the ones we caught were pretty big, but there's some big ones on Shelter too.
I seen it. He
What
pointed at his
dolphin-
eyes
what
too.
dolphin in it, bro? That's a big one.
Look at all those people. Look. All those people. What you looking at, bitch? Shout out to that nigga. He gave us a bag.
Water was too shallow. It was deeper. More bigger ones of those opalite.
That shit's not shallow, nigga.
But they're shallow.
All that fish.
Where
Talking
we were
about,
right
these
there,
niggas
where
smoked out.
we caught the recent one, that's deeper. Right there in the beginning of the video,
Yeah.
too shallow.
This is where we at. Look at that bitch.
Want to fish like that because
Snaking ass toes out.
that shit is wide open.
Oh shit, hella people. Let's see what's over here.
340.
Oh shit. I'm finna call the homies right now.
This is where you...
Look at this. Got him. Shit, I don't want you to fall. Watch this.
This thing is funny, cuz.
Look at first cast, cuz.
Right away.
He said this nigga's funny,
I
cuz.
already know, bro. I just told the freaking Shannon.
You literally just sit there and I'm like,
He's gonna get bit into it. You already know.
Nigga, less than a second, cuz. I just dropped
You know
it.
the vibes. The Chinese gonna roll up and you over there gonna catch the one already. I like.
Yes, sir. Got one nigga right here wanting to blunt. This nigga about to
That's some ghost shrimp.
go shrimp.
Some fresh ghost shrimp. If it ain't fresh, don't bother fishing.
Right here, like, right here, all in front of us. What's up, bro?
getting an open line.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We used to do this years ago as kids. We used to come out here with some clam and peas.
Clam and peas.
Yeah, give them frozen peas.
Yeah.
Yep.
What's in there?
Right there, right there, right there, right there.
Is it on the drop?
Yeah, right there, look. I found it right there. Shove it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like wide open right here.
Oh yeah. Sometimes I came shit 2 weeks ago. It was a gang, way more than this. Big.
Yeah.
Schools. You gotta drop it in front of the face.
Hey, make that big. What size book you got? 14.
About, yeah, 10, 14.
Make that big.
Put the hole.
Small, you bust it in.
Right there.
It's so weird to eat.
No, it's actually in the hotel. Yeah, it's pretty far.
They gonna like it.
Come on, bro. Put a new one. A new bait.
They don't like this. You're hitting it.
Cause that's the head only. Which time record quick?
They're not hitting it right.
Should record quick.
They ended up, you good, man? I'm being honest with you. Here's some content.
That's crazy. They're not hitting it right. How you do it so good?
You don't have the head on.
No, they won't bite anything.
And some days, man, you get the open line, they like a pound, almost 2 pounds. I mean, huge.
Hella.
2 pounds?
Oh man, there's some big ones in there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Depends on the day.
exactly. Sometimes under them doctor.
That's why they're not needed. First cap.
Got the tail, got the head.
You see the girl body, the gold ones?
I got body, yeah.
Yeah, don't catch those.
Yeah.
I told one homie he caught 3. I said, man, you better put them back. He like, what? I was out there in my boat. I said, that's a state fish.
Yeah.
Man, he got.
It was a fat ass ticket.
Oh, he got. They took everything.
Oh, they caught him with it?
Oh yeah. They would try to warn it.
Yeah. Alright, it's gonna go.
Got him. You got him. Yeah, you had one on a couple times.
I know he was looking at it. Small one.
Your logo?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You guys too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to bust them here, at the bar here, across the way. As kids, get the big ass opal out.
And there's a lot of big ones
You
too.
know what you do? You take frozen peas, a pack of them. You gotta chum them. Chum their ass, you get them in, and buff.
There you go.
There you go. There you go. Beautiful color, huh?
That's it.
Yeah, opal. That's right.
It's a good size.
Let me get the picture. Show my homeboy at the top. Double up right here, double up. Up. Hold on, let me remove them. There you go. There you go.
Small ones. Small ones hitting it.
You got him. Oh, came out.
No, the small ones.
All right, man, y'all. Good luck.
Yeah, have a good one. Have a good one.
You beaten those before?
Huh?
Have you ate those before?
No, I'm gonna get three. I just got paired.
Yeah.
Our fam be eating them.
Huh?
Our fam be eating them. Our family.
They're not bad. Put them out.
That's how you had this shit set up.
It is the guts a lot of vegetation.
Hella.
Yeah, it was hitting on that.
Oh yeah, they vegetarians.
See all that? That's what we catching.
That's the last one right there. You'll catch them on big.
Can somebody get me?
No more, right?
No more.
The last one.
Well, fuck y'all niggas then.
Oh, look,
You got a big ass one. You got a big one right there.
Yeah. What's it already or let it go?
Let it go.
Let it go.
Too small.
I can't even catch one here. That's crazy.
Shut it. Can we buy some more bait?
If
you want to.
Catch all that shit, cuz.
I can't get it right here. That's crazy. Can I try with your rod? Can I try? Yeah. Yeah, man. Dude, I suck, man. You see that shit? I need to bite off that one.
It's because you're bait.
I need to pay to my ancestors.
Pray looked out better. Ooh, damn, that's a fat one. Oh, oh. Oh, big one going for it. Move it, twitch it, twitch it. Cuz you niggas suck, cuz.
Jason is good at this good stuff.
My manga. Let me see your bait. Look, fix it. Look.
It's a claw, cuz.
What the fuck?
There's no bait, right? What are you supposed to use? Well, we could use a rock too.
Yeah, put like a mini jig, like rip a piece out of it. Like an orange one. Oh, got it. This nigga.
You wasn't even on, nigga.
It was on.
No, no, on.
Nigga asked the people in the chat. I mean, in the comments. Where you at? Where you at? This nigga suck, cuz.
It's a little piece right
I'm about to record day. Where you going right now?
Get some more bait.
For what? For Opline? How much you have in there?
We got enough.
Nigga got like 20, cuz.
Yeah.
We finna go buy some more bait.
About to get double limit, triple limits.
Triple limits, nigga.
Got 2-person limits already.
There's like 100 Opline just chilling under that dock.
95-yard
Wide open.
Well, now we're going to Seaforth.
We're gonna try really hard to catch fish.
Get another dozen.
If you're a tourist, man, this is a good spot to eat fish and chips.
That shit nasty as shit.
Hey,
What's up, buddy?
this is the greatest place to eat fish and chips.
Fish and chips? What you got from here?
Yeah.
Fish and chips?
I got these nuts. These nuts are on sprinkles.
What nuts?
This is the marinated with these nuts.
What's the yacht at the store? You back? Get some more. Can we get a dozen? You get one. Just a dozen.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Doesn't go shrimp.
They got a blunt in his ear.
Did you say you need to take a piss? No, I took it down already.
What the fuck? Ready? Round 2. Bought some more ghost shrimp.
I never see a red bar that's out here.
Triangle area. Too much people over there. What you got?
Calico.
Joey? Ricky?
Calico.
Dudeមួយ
Drop shot calico.
Trying
On a gold hooker bait shrimp. Gold hooker bait.
Nigga, that's a
With
ghost
a long
shrimp.
leader line. This guy asked me, why you tired like that? Still get bit.
What the fuck?
Still get bit.
I'm gonna call it quick.
Get that small pussy.
Oh, shit flew off.
You got an underhand cast. Can't throw too hard, my guy.
Nigga, that shit's still on there, nigga. But, no, it's not.
That's too squishy already, man. Stop playing.
Hella.
Just gonna try really hard and catch a different species.
Try to catch a sargo.
Yeah, can you please grab her and have her? I'll be there in like 20 minutes. Can you send me your address? Okay. Can you send me your address? Can you text me it? Okay.
Okay. Okay, I got one.
So going to the rocks. Funny.
Don't lose it, cuz. You see it? Stuck? What the fuck?
Oh, the cargo. Big one.
First?
Yeah. No, his lip is literally stuck to the rock. You can zoom in and see it.
First? You can see it? Where?
You see it? That's it right there. It's stuck to the rock, literally.
There's Opalite right there too.
It's a big ass opalite though.
I thought you said a sargo.
I'm sorry about that.
Stop being real. Fuck
Okay,
it.
got it.
Oh. Bro, that shit's Tom. Damn. Nigga. Good shit, cuz.
Got it.
Put her here, put her here.
I'm waiting to get stuck together or not. I'm gonna wait.
Her.
Yes, sir. Ricky, look at this shit, bro. Damn. That's a big sargo. Yup.
Good
go.
shit, cuz.
Bring it up here.
Here.
Ow!
Oh shit, you're doing
That's good eating right there. Yeah. Good shit.
Good shit, cuz.
Big ass sargo. Let's go. I had to go get my dog, dude. She ran away and somebody got her. Yeah. That's action. It's action, man. Just stay here and put pound line. You can put a fucking button.
Alright, bro.
Alright, my guy. Catch him. Catch
Yep.
them all, man.
Try to say, bro.
Dead bun.
Nick got a bag full of fish.
Dead bun.
Better call it a day. Caught a decent amount. You have fun today?
Oh, shit.
Chilling. We gone.